all this talk of dragons kind of makes me miss them. It's hard at the holidays, you know? Wonder if Toothless ever misses me.
All I want is nothing more, to hear you knocking at my door. 'Cause if I could see your face once more, I could die a happy man, I'm sure.
You've looked after us for long enough. Time to look after yourselves.
When you said your last goodbye,
It's okay. I love you too, and I want you to be free.
I lay in tears in bed all night, alone without you by my side. But if you loved me,
Our world doesn't deserve you.
why'd you leave?